I-70% yabantu balapha ekhethu basebenzisa iinthuthi zomphakathi qobe langa, kodwana indlela ezinengi esifundeni lesi zikhamba ziba nemigodigodi. Kazi imigodigodi le endleleni ingozi ekulu kubatshayeli kunye nebakhwelini. I-SANTACO ibawa urhulumende weMpumalanga ukuthi alungise umraro lo khona ukuphephiswa impilo yabantu.
The road conditions are not conducive, but not on all municipalities. There are those municipalities, specific like here in Embombela, the bridge that taken by the road, the rain is still not constructed. So we're supposed to do long kilometers because of that. And also other roads like Mloto Road, we have challenges of the road there. If the department can continue help us to upgrade those roads.
Umnyanga wezendlela neenthuthi eMpumalanga uthembise ukuthi uzozisombulula inlilo eziveze Umkhandlu webubulwa lamaTexi.
Verena crossing to Bronkhorstspruit, the P36/1 N12 to Delmas, the P182/1, which is the R35 to Hendrina, the D2486 Klipval, the D281 Dachelkraal to Volksrest, the P170/1 Graskop to Matibit. And we're also looking at the D3930 Akonhoek to Slobokani, amongst all others, also Umkhandlu and Danchi.
Umphakathi uthi wanelisekile ngendlela abatshayeli bamaTexi basebenza ngakhona phakathi kwengogwana engimaphuphisa le i-COVID-19.
We do wear our mask, but some people don't wear them. Some commuters behave like COVID-19 doesn't exist.
Kanti amahlelo okwenza ngcono iinthuthi zomphakathi azokuraga inyanga leyo ke nje.